Heptabase versus Obsidian note-taking apps. Choosing the right app can transform how you organize ideas without losing flexibility. Heptabase offers visual workspace tools, while Obsidian focuses on powerful markdown linking and customization. Heptabase and Obsidian are both designed for note-taking and knowledge management. The core difference lies in Heptabase's visual spatial approach to notes versus Obsidian's text-centric, markdown-based system with extensive plugin support. Heptabase is a visual note-taking app that uses a spatial canvas to organize ideas as cards. Users create and connect notes through a flexible whiteboard interface, making it easy to map out thoughts visually. This approach works well for brainstorming, project planning, and creative workflows. Heptabase supports markdown editing within cards and offers tools for tagging and linking notes intuitively. Its strengths lie in helping users see relationships between ideas at a glance, ideal for visual thinkers and teams collaborating on complex projects. Limitations include a less robust text editing experience compared to traditional markdown editors and fewer customization options. Heptabase's interface is user-friendly but may feel less suited for heavy text-based note-takers or those who prefer a file-based system. It shines when visual organization and spatial memory play a key role in knowledge work. Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking app built around linking plain text files stored locally. It excels at creating a personal knowledge base through bidirectional links, graph views, and extensive plugin support. Users write notes in Markdown, which allows for powerful formatting and embedding, while plugins extend functionality from task management to daily journaling. Obsidian's strengths include complete data ownership, offline access, and a highly customizable environment tailored to power users. Its limitations include a steeper learning curve and less emphasis on visual spatial organization compared to Heptabase. Obsidian is ideal for users who want deep control over their notes, prefer text-based workflows, and value extensibility through community plugins. It works. Rule for researchers, writers, and anyone building a long-term knowledge system with interlinked ideas. Heptabase and Obsidian serve different note-taking styles with clear trade-offs. Heptabase's visual canvas makes it easy to brainstorm and see connections spatially, perfect for creative projects and team collaboration. However, it lacks the text editing depth and plugin ecosystem of Obsidian. Obsidian's Markdown files and graph view offer unmatched flexibility for building a knowledge base with strong linking and customization, but its interface is more text-heavy and less visual. For example, a writer drafting complex research might prefer Obsidian's robust linking and Markdown support, while a product team mapping out ideas visually would benefit from Heptabase's canvas. Both apps support Markdown but differ in user experience focus, spatial versus textual. Choosing depends on whether visual organization or deep text-based linking is more important. Choose Heptabase if you prioritize visual thinking, brainstorming, and project planning with a flexible, intuitive canvas for organizing ideas spatially. Opt for Obsidian if you need a powerful, markdown-driven knowledge base with extensive customization and offline access. It's best for users who want full control over their notes and prefer text-centric workflows with strong linking capabilities. Both apps excel when matched to your style.